Welcome back. In the last lecture, we introduced the series and the data frame. Today, we focus entirely on the series. Understanding the series is the foundational step because a data frame is, at its core, a collection of series objects aligned along a shared index. The series is the one-dimensional workhorse of Pandas. 1. Definition of a series. A Pandas series is a one-dimensional array-like object capable of holding any data type, such as integers, strings, floating point numbers, or Python objects. It consists of two main parts: the data, which is essentially a number py array, and the associated index, which labels each element. 2. Data versus index. When we create a series from a standard Python list, Pandas automatically assigns a default numeric index starting from 0, just like a list index. In the output, the right-hand column shows the actual data values, and the left-hand column shows the index labels, which are 0, 1, 2, and 3. The data type, or D type, is shown at the bottom. 3. Series attributes. You can access the two main components using attributes. The values attribute extracts the data as a pure number py array, stripping away the index. The index attribute returns the index object itself. This is particularly useful for verifying the labels. Finally, the D-type attribute tells you the Pandas data type, mirroring the number py D type. To summarize, the index is what separates a series from a simple number py array. Our next lecture 36.03, Create Project. See you there.